What's up everyone? So I was getting out of this tight parking space and well, right now it's going to be 5 in a while, and I'm going to work, commuting to work. Right now I'm in this place called Muhammadiyah, and my camera just moved. I'll have to bring it back over here. So well, off to work. Let's see if I can get some coffee or some tea along the way. I have seen a Dunkin before on King Fahad Road. I haven't stopped there before, but we'll see if I can make a stop over there. Check out that huge construction going on over here. So this construction is on King Abdullah Road. And we are going to the King Fahad Road now. So let's go slowly. There's some roadworks going on Takhasusi Street up ahead. Anyways, we are the ones to take the U-turn, and now there's a Dunkin over here on the right as well. There's a Mama Noora as well, but for the Dunkin it's closed. The scenes on this road are like really good right now. Impressive. The sunrise with these palm trees. I was using this one phone holder before, but it's sort of useless right now. So I have to just place my phone onto the dashboard of my car, and for it to lean with the screen. And well, do you see the Kingdom Tower there in the distance on the left? Oh, some really cool scenes. There's not much traffic. We are cruising. It's really good. By the way, this portion of the road, this segment of the road, the one that we are right now driving on, they made it like a couple days back, and like within a day or half, sort of like this. See, some amazing work done by them, really. this crossing up above, the pedestrian crossing, it's also really cool. Now we are crossing this Tahliya, the road that actually leads to Tahliya Street. We might be able to find a Dunkin over here, so I'll take the exit from here. Min Hena. Okay, there is a Dunkin, but let's see if it's open. Yeah, it seems like it's open. Oh, that's nice. So I'll have to go from here, and I'll come back from the other road, from behind this actually. Look at these people serving Riyadh, taking out the waste. Okay. Here we go. This is from where we have to turn. Let's go straight to Dunkin. Now we are in front of Dunkin. So guys, here in Riyadh, we are in front of Faisaliya Tower at sunrise. Actually, I was going to work and I stopped at Dunkin to get some tea. They have a very good Karak tea. So while I stopped there, and once I came out of the shop while waiting for the tea to be made, I came across these scenes. MashaAllah, wonderful. So guys, I took my tea and now I'll be going to work from this Makkah Road. Sorry for that. I don't know why I'm short on breath, but you people are breathtaking. That's insane. We are on our way to Makkah Road. the good thing is that right now there's not much traffic. I should have gone from the next exit, but no worries, we'll take another exit from here to merge onto the Makkah Road. The exit ramp is up ahead. Ramp is open. Guys, if you are going at this speed and what if it turns red? What will you do? I think all the people are going at full speed, like 100. The full speed, but I mean the speed limit. Here we go at a traffic light. Now this road that we are gonna merge onto, it's called the Prince Turki Road. Okay guys, that's probably it, and right now I have to think about some stuff related to my work, so I'll be ending the video here. And if you watch the video till here, you people are awesome. Thank you so much for being a part of this little commute, and I hope if you are seeing this video, you are in the best of health, wealth, love and happiness. Stay blessed everyone. Have a good day.